Okay.
This is a triple points round times 3 ang value ng bawat tamang sagot. Good luck. Top 4 answers are on the board. Magbigay ng kasuotan o damit pang sports na mabibili
Shorts.
sa Shopee. Go! Jose.
Head start.
Jersey.
Shorts.
Jersey. Pang basketball. Whoa! Hey, Jerry. Pass or play? Play. Okay, let's play the final.
Okay.
Ito na. Biwawi. Magbigay ng kasuotan o damit na pang sports na mabibili sa Shopee. Basketball shorts.
Correct.
Jersey. May basketball shorts pa. Wala.
Wait.
Okay, good Jim. Again, magbigay
How
ng
about
kasuotan
sneakers?
o damit
Rubber
na
shoes?
pang sports na mabibili sa Shopee.
Jogger. Jogger pants.
Jogging pants. Jogger pants.
Jogging pants.
Jogger pants or jogging pants? Nandiyan ba ang joggers or jogging pants? Wala. Nandiyan.
Sayang.
Dalawa na lang. Good James. Again, magbigay ng damit o kasuotan na pang sports na mabibili sa Shopee.
Cycling short.
Cycling shorts.
Oh yeah, you have to be specific.
Nandiyan ba ang cycling
Di ba shorts? It can be any type of shorts.
Yes.
Ah!
Isa na lang. For 30,000
Kaya pala that's the reason why he got the first strike when he
Wala
said
sa Shopee.
shorts.
At syempre, posibleng
It has to be specific.
maiuwi
Baka
ang
malay mo, the shorts can be
jackpot
maong
ngayong
shorts.
gabi.
Di ba?
Magbigay ng damit na pang sports na mabibili sa Shopee.
Siyempre, mga pang swimming, mga trunks.
Swimming wear,
Talaga
swimming
ba?
trunks. Serving says, wala.
Nope.
Yan na, pretty babes. Huddle na kayo. Last chance. Last chance. Kaya magbigay ng damit o kasuotan na pang sports na mabibili sa Shopee.
Sando.
Sando.
Tayo nga meron na yung sando na yan.
Nandun na yung sando. Saan? Nandun na yung sando.
Try a different answer.
May chance
Uh-oh.
kayo kung mali ang sagot nila. Pretty babes? Isa lang ang kailangan natin. Alright? Obviously, pag makuha niyo to, Lian, panalo na kayo sa Family Feud sa araw nito, may 30,000 pa from Shopee.
Say
Get it
shoes.
right. Hopya.
Sneakers.
Magbigay ng damit pang sports.
Sports bra.
Choice.
Bathing suit.
Dating suit. Mergy.
Knee pads.
Shoes.
Pads.
Rubber shoes.
For 30,000
Sneakers.
pesos mula sa Shopee.
Number 4.
Magbigay ng kasuotan o damit na mabibili sa Shopee. Let's go.
Basketball shorts. Shorts.
Basketball shorts. Masabi na yun.
That's the same as cycling shorts. Ano pa kayo?
Masabi na. Pwede mo ko samahan dito sa gitna.
You know what? That's one advice I would like to tell you at Family Feud.
Okay.
Whatever answer has been said, keep that in your head. Even the ones that... Wala naman yung sapatos dyan. Sayang.
Wow. Anyway, ang ating final score.
Sayang
UND,
na sayang.
166. Lian, maraming salamat.
Kaya sabi ko, yung moral lesson ng kwento sa paglaro ng Family Feud, even when you're huddling, listen. And remember whatever answer they said. Baka malay mo, biglaan, it's the same. Diba? So think of something else. That's my lesson.
Maraming salamat.